Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas that's dry and covered in black paint from Artist Loft. I'm going to add some Meeden paint to the corners and the edges, if it'll go that far. And then I'm going to do a Dutch pour. Again, the last one I did was a few minutes ago and it was on white, and I want to try on black. I'm still going to do the same thing I did the last time, which is use both black and white paint in the center. But I'm going to try and use slightly different colors. I did coat the edges of the canvas already with a light bead of paint and rub it in with my fingers, and that went pretty well. This is my OXO omelet turning spatula. Best spatula to spread paint I know of. It's called a flip and fold. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below the link tree. The link tree is below the video. All kinds of good stuff on that link tree. My website's on there. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, is for students. If you're looking for some compatriots and you're learning pouring, or you're looking to share your work, we're happy to have you. Happy to have questions asked too. So I have this time I'm going to make sure I start out with enough paint. Oh, I'm going to run out. Haha, figures. It's time to make more paint up. That's the dregs. But I have fun on the white of that, configuring what's going to happen on my canvas. And I shouldn't worry about my gaps too much, because I'm going to be using a blow dryer. So, what do I want first? I want my turquoise with iridescent pearl fine in it. My Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. The turquoise is a color I have to mix myself because they stopped making the Hobby Lobby brand color that I liked. I have to mix it with some phthalo green and some lake blue. This is Folk Art neon purple with lots of golden iridescent pearl fine in it, and I have to make some more of that too. Come out. Why are you not coming out? Because the bottle is probably caught in the tip. Oh, come on out. All right, well, I'm gonna augment that with some Arteza purple anyway, so I guess we're all set. 2 purples better than 1, which reminds me, maybe 3 purples are better than 1. So I'll use some dioxazine purple as well. Now, I didn't use any of my green gold the last time, and I've been looking forward to this. And I have some Hot Orchid from Color Art. It's called Prism Pour. And what's last but not least, I think I'm going to have some of this neon blue from Arteza. And hopefully that'll be fine. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Make sure that my cord is free. I don't think I mind the black and white in there at all. I quite like it, actually. used a little more gold this time, and I like it. Not quite as much hot orchid, and I really miss it. But I like what I'm getting, and I think I can torch and probably get even more cells than I see right now. And I'm liking that green gold in there quite a bit. I don't see much of the red, and I really wanted some. Do I? Well, I'm going to do it again. And then I'm going to fine tune it with this straw. Because I just wanted a little bit, you know. So now my group challenge for the Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is pretty much done. I think I want a few spirals. I like adding one element that's all my own, not so accidental. And I like that red. Although, if I'd had more purple, it's coming out now. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my colors so that when I leave my paint heavy in places, and I do leave my paint heavy in places, that it doesn't crack. So where do I want some gold? Maybe right down here. Because I can, the name of my book. I always say, if you don't see a color you like, add it. Or enough of a color you like. I like that. That adds some dimension. I'm like pretty happy with that. What did I not see enough of? I really love that electric blue. I don't have any of this Venetian blue, but that doesn't matter because I can just meld it right in there anyway. Yes, I like that. That's cool. I'm good with that. Is there anything else I want that I didn't give myself? The answer is pretty much consistently yes. I don't think a little tiny bit of orange is going to hurt anything. And I do mean a tiny bit, just the smallest amount. So let's torch and call it good and tell you that there's over 92,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, thank you for being here still. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If I add a little something there, then that black spot will become integrated to the design. A little spiral never hurt anybody. So I love you guys. Please like my videos by giving me a thumbs up, and if you want to help my channel, I appreciate that. Share my videos. Watch them longer. Watch them when the notifications come out. Or watch some of my playlists. There's 1,800 videos on 18 lists of 100, and there are also way more lists of topics and genres. There's even a Dutch pour list. It looks like some kind of really fancy reef fish because it's got an eye now. I like that heart. The red heart, sort of in the center. It's a critter. It's kind of fun. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view, a close-up as best I can. I should probably torch one more time, make sure I was paying attention when I did that. I've got some amazing cells. The Mead & Paint is on my Amazon link, which is underneath the link tree, which is underneath the video. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And the only Mead that I'm using are the black and the white right now. You could probably buy all the colors you want, but I've got colors I like. I've got color shifts and primary elements and all kinds of stuff that I'm already enjoying. So I don't really think anything other than the black and the white for Catalyst are necessary for me. That, I like that right over there. That's really cool. My camera mount is not moving. There we go. A little better. My table sort of matches my painting too. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check under the link tree for pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, as I have said, for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors for the albums of YouTube artworks, wet and dry. And if you have a request, you'd like to see something dry, ask me and I'll put it on the community board on my YouTube channel. What did I miss under the link tree? Oh, my other Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Totes and More will let you shop pixels.com and Fine Art America. And if you're interested in shopping, the Teespring clothing below the video has Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts. And anything that I paint is photographed and is available to be added to Teespring or pixels.com and Fine Art America. Become t-shirts or onesies or yoga mats or coffee mugs or shower curtains or duvet covers or pillows or all kinds of different apparel like tank tops for the summer. I wish there were dresses. I really do. I'm working on it. It's not happening. Thank you guys all for the wonderful comments, and thank you for the wonderful donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you are somebody who can help support the studio, just know that the monthly drawing will allow you to win paintings. If you're one of the one of the few entrants, there's usually never more than 20. You can see the prizes on the exhibition video that I include in the last 20 seconds of every video on the end screens. And if you use PayPal or Patreon, the icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or they're linked on my link tree, and I prefer PayPal. So if you'd like to contact me in regard to purchasing an artwork, that is by far and away the best way to help support the studio. And my email address is easpbgallery@gmail.com, and it's right below the link tree when you click Show More. And when you click Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipe. And if you guys have questions, please feel free to ask me. I will answer as I can. And make sure to look on my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you guys need anything, just ask me. I'll give you a link if I've got one, and I have quite a few links saved already. So take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla, out.